Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by exposing the broken clip quickly and safely. Use needle nose pliers and a small flathead to pry any bent metal open. Once done, turn the jeans inside out and lift the waistband seam to access the clip base. Make sure to protect the denim with a scrap of cloth so you don't make new tears. If the clip is held by a rivet, gently unfasten the rivet head. If it's stitched, snip the stitches carefully. This gets you immediately to the repair point. Now you either reshape the original clip or install a replacement. If metal is intact, use pliers to bend it precisely back into form because correct geometry ensures grip. If replacing, align the new clip with existing holes, mark positions and test fit before committing. For rivets, use a rivet setter and hammer on a solid block. For stitched bases, sew through both layers with heavy thread using a reinforced backstitch pattern. Make sure every movement secures the clip without puckering the finish by trimming excess thread or metal and press the seam flat so the waistband looks smooth. Then test the clip under normal tension by pulling the zipper or belt area several times. If it slips, add a small washer behind a rivet or add an extra row of stitches to spread the load. Make sure to inspect for fabric stress. If the denim is worn through, reinforce with a patch before reinstalling. For repeat failures, choose a higher grade replacement clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.